Hello guys, today we are going to I'm Henry here. Today we want to talk about how we can add cryptocurrency payment plugin to our website. So today we'll add a plugin called NOWPayments. It's a good company that accepts almost 100 plus crypto coins for our clients to make payments with. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and also don't forget to hit the notification button. Great, so let's get started. Hello, so let's start by logging in into our WordPress website. Yeah, I hope all of you already have a website and you want to integrate the payment. So here we'll use NOWPayments. So let's log in with our WordPress dashboard so that we can add the payment. Yeah, place your email account or your username and the password. Yeah, great, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, now we're in our dashboard. Let's check our website and try to purchase an item and see. Here I just created for educational purposes. I just created some 2 items, so don't worry about the website. Let's see the options here. Choose color and let's choose the sizes also. Great. Yeah, now we can view cart. As you can see, I selected 2 shirts. If also you want to know how you can place the attributes, just hit. I'll leave my contact below. Great. Now as you can see here, there is no payment yet, so we can't continue with our payment here. As you can see, we can't proceed with payments because we don't have any payment for now. So, and that's why we are here. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go to setting, to plugins, add new plugin. Sorry for that. Add new plugin. In the search bar there, now you just search for NOWPayments. NOWPayments. Great, now that's good. Yeah, the first one there by SCI Intelligence. That's the one we'll use. Okay. Now install and activate. Let's install. Okay, activate now. Great. Now it's installed and activated. Since we don't have NOWPayments account, I will show you how to create one. Let's open a new tab and search for NOWPayments. Yeah, the first one, accept bitcoins and crypto payments with NOWPayments. NOWPayments give us access to a lot of it's an advantageous to client because they can pay with a lot of different coins. You have STD, USD, there are a lot. You will check them. Now let's click here to accept crypto. Let's get started on creating our account. Yeah, place a valid email address. Okay, I've just blurred because of privacy for my own security. Yeah, so choose up a password, a strong password indeed. For that case, confirm the password again. Actually, it's very easy steps. They don't need a lot of details here. Yeah, great. After email, so let's confirm that you're not a robot. Just an easy steps here. Yeah, let's verify now. Create account. Great. Check your email, and there is a confirmation code has been sent so that we can paste it here for our confirmation. Let me go to it because my Gmail is already always my. Yeah, now the payment, as you can see, there is a message here. Let's copy the code. Sorry. Yeah, great. Let's copy. Come and paste it there. Submit. Great. So here, NOWPayments actually always send the payments to your address. So just go to your specific wallet, copy your address, either BTC, USDT, you just put it there. Now let's create payment so that we can continue. Go to settings, click on settings, then payment settings, what I've below, don't worry, that my address, receiving address. Actually you can change it. That's the place where you can change anytime you want to change, you can change it via there. So let's go back, go to settings, WooCommerce, then settings. We want to integrate the NOWPayments with our, because we had as you remember, we had installed NOWPayments plugin, and now we want to do the integration. Now let's go to payment, scroll down to NOWPayment, finish setup. Great. Enable payment so that it will show in our website. Let's change the title. Yeah, just give it a title of your own. Don't worry about that, because actually that one will just show it. And I recommend the title of the name of your website. Let's go pay with Bitcoin. This one is just this one is more of a description. Okay, so just see what you'll write there. Just be creative. Yeah, just be creative. Okay, don't forget to hit the subscription button so that you'll always get more and more. And also, we need some subscribers, so don't forget. Let's copy the API key. Just go back to NOWPayments, paste it here. Also, you'll at Sandbot API, you'll also paste the API key. Let's go now and generate an IPN key. Here for us to integrate, we use API and IPN keys. Okay, so let's go. Yes, copy it there, also there, the same. So after that, save your work. Don't forget to save, because if you don't save, then there is nothing we've done here. Great. Now let's go test if the payment is working. Refresh your website. Yeah, as you can see now, it's now there. Now we can do our test and see if the payment will go through. Now let's proceed to place the order. Here your clients can get more than 100 cryptocurrency to make payments with. And actually, let's try. As you can see, we have Ethereum. There are a lot. USDT, TRC20, XRP. You can test. And actually, the best thing with here, it converts it to the exact amount that you should pay. There, your client will place an email for confirmation. See, so let's continue with BTC. Proceed to payment. Great work. As you can see here, we have the link, the address, the Bitcoin address. Your client will just copy the Bitcoin address, and also they can scan, because in NOWPayments they offer even the scanning code. Thanks so much. Now, as you can see, don't forget to share and don't forget to hit the notification bell also, and subscribe. Kindly subscribe so that we can be here and also help you more and more. Always subscribe for us to get a lot. Okay.